Hey my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall.
Let me see Bill. Let me see Bill. Yeah. More see that Bill. Let me see. Let me see. Let me see that Bill, please. Yeah, let me see Bill.
Hungry, my blood clot hungry. I'm going to give away for taxi now, it's 40 clot.
Send more and send this out.
Hold on, let me see. Let me see.
1.5 million.
Let me see what the big deal about. Alright, balance brought forward. 1.5 million. Total amount due 1.7 million. Yeah, hold on, hold on. $190,000. The current charge.
No, sir. That's cheap. You have to this money internet.
Yo, how much cool room you own? Yo. Yeah, YouTube straight, yo.
I want two jobs for black machine, they want me shopping up. Want two jobs for black machine. I'm a pay a bill every month. And you say me use Excel to me in a paper, so I there to make me pan 2,900 and bill me pan. With the Excel. And let me look at blood clot bill, and I send me a new garment. Because you know I'm blood through one side of a big. That's a blood clot.
Yo.
That's a bombo clot.
Yo.
What's a blood run to
1.7 million, yo.
You can't tell you about me. No blood clot. No work, but I can't work all like this. You can't tell me that. Can't be telling no. Tell me a one away.
No.
One away labor man.
1.7 mil. Yo, the man has a record deal in the youth. You know
I
that?
told me I work for the same work and eat. I 10 o'clock me don't work for me to put you. And you come and lock down that. You come here now and assume my blood clot business. Me look a small business, me work hard and build. I JPS come here now and assume. Say me use current and I lock down my blood clot business. That's the most blood clot murder that.
Yo, that bill heavy, yo, that bill.
If I did have an alternative, put it in here. It don't work. You understand? What work me know about? And they go stop me from blood clot work. I worry to blood clot in this. Every time. You know, I lock up out here. If you stop me from blood clot work, I worry.
Yo, how get that bill there? 1.7. Yo.
So, this was right here so is not a recent video, and that's the first thing we want to tell you because social media thinks that this is a brand new thing in 2019 what happened. No. This video is years and top of years ago, long time ago. You see me? I'm not sure if it passed a decade, but I know say it's not no 2018, no 2019, not even 2017 thing. You get me? Yeah, it's way back when. JPS always have a little problem sometimes. I don't know if it's the system a glitch or what. You know what I mean? I'm not gonna point fingers or cuss at anyone and blame them. You see me? But sometimes system can give problems. You see what I say to you? Because even Vibes Cartel did have a problem with the whole bill thing where they reach him from Jamaica Public Service. You see me? And if I recall, you know, alright, look, I'm going to let you all listen and look what Mr. Cartel they have to say about the whole thing. Alright? Observe.
And this installment is chapter 3 and it's called JPS, which as we all know stands for Jamaica Public Service. So, may I show you a simple example why JPS are the biggest pussy hole. Before me change my name and change over the utilities bill for the house here in my name, the utilities bill like the light bill also used to still in the previous owner name. Them time they may get some light bill for all $15,000, $12,000. Bumbuckler, you see, as me change the light bill name and put Adija Palmer. Tell me if you can see it. Tell me when you see it. You see it? Adija Palmer. I fly out one February, I think February of this year, I fly out. When I come back, remember, you know, the bill the day, $15,000, $12,000. Since I put my name on it, in February, I fly out. When I come back, I see a bill for $71,000. See it there? And my woman pay the bill. So when she pay the bill, I come back and see my cuss and go and do things. And I say, them JPS people here take off for fool. Just because them say Adija Palmer name on it, the bill reached from $15,000 to $71,000. Anyway, she paid the bill, and them I say, oh, some papi show. So you see the next bill of them sent for the 15th of March, it come up to $63,000. So me decide say, well, me not pay the bill here. So me say, alright, me not pay the bill there. Anyway, them send back a rotted bill now. And say that bill here due, hold on there, I don't want to get it mixed up, you know. Them send back a rotted bill now, say that bill here due the 18th of April. See how much the bill come up to here? $124,000. So, because me don't want them pull an elephant man for me, and me say, alright, I know these people say them pull an elephant man for me and try put it in a the Star, put it in a the Gleaner. The usual propaganda with them pull off and get to you. Me say, alright, you know, if I take like a shame out of my eye, me I go pay half of the money, which is $62,000, and then me I go send money go up to the Jamaica Public Service, which is the JPS, and query why my bill is so high and why the bill gets so high since I put my name on the light bill. Anyway, me pay it. So I pay $62,000. That time in April. Alright, watch you know. After money go up there and query everything, them say, alright, come like cartel pick up where I go on. So, guess how much the bill come to for the following month, which is the 17th of May. Remember me pay half of the 100,000, so them balance brought forward 60,000. After we make the complaint up at JPS, you know how much the bill come to for the next month? Them drop it to 32,000. See it there? Now Jamaica people, more want to tell me, if you don't know say JPS, take poor people and take ghetto people, and take ghetto youth, who have a talent and make a little money and can better them life for them family. You know, see them take with a fool.
So that's Vybz Kartel's experience with the Jamaica Public Service. Him set him get a bill for 60 odd, then he get a bill for 70 odd, then 100 odd, and when he met the query and so forth, him get bill go back down to 30 odd. You see me? With that amount of money being paid, I think he should have gotten a few months free, you know, but you don't know a thing already. To do that would be confessing to something being wrong with your system. So yeah, you said the thing already. Anyways, for the record, JPS stands for Jamaica Public Service, alright? Not as what has been told in that recent video right there. You see me I say? Jamaica Public Service is a power company that supplies Jamaica with electricity, current throughout the whole island. Well, we have another one which is called Jamaica Private Power Company, but you don't know which one is the bigger entity. You see me I say? And for a recap, the first video that I show is of a man that got a bill for 1.7 million Jamaican dollars. It is not a recent video, and I don't want people to think that it's recent, like it's in 2019. It's not even 2018 or 17. You see me? Alright, so the question is there or was there something wrong with Jamaica Public Service system back then? Right? With a video like this being brought forward, it's a good question to ask, and I ask you, my viewers, and see what you think about the whole thing. You see me I say? And as always, don't be afraid to let me know what you think about the whole thing we just see right here. So, and as always, if you're new to my channel, you can always click the subscribe button to stay up to date to see what I go on in and around the world, especially of Jamaica and the Dancehall Skilla ENT. You know the thing already. My name is Skilla, and this way just see is Dancehall Skilla Entertainment. Wanna big up on yourself. Hey, my youth, you know what you watch? Dancehall Skilla. Hear me now? Hey, yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.